Hello, welcome back to this video. It's been so long since I filmed like this and I'm excited to get back to it these last couple months. Actually, has it been 3 months? 3 months? Oh, I hear Joey. So much has happened, so watch my last video to know what I've been up to. But yes, right now I am getting ready and I'm doing all the meds and stuff. I'm at my new apartment. I am living here at my house, but I am paying rent and it's basically like 2 separate places. Like I have to make my own food and buy my own toiletries and all that, so it's kind of like living on my own. But yes, so right now I'm getting ready so I can go to lab so I can get my blood drawn. Out here. I see someone. Who's that? Who's that? Hi, baby. I am now all ready and I'm about to leave to go get my blood drawn because it's Wednesday and then come back and do my shot. But now that I'm moved out or back here or here, whatever, there's a lab that I can bike to. It's super hot out today, so I'm gonna go early before the peak heat hits. It'll be 94 today, so I'm definitely going swimming. And he can't go on any WALKs because it's too hot for him. But yes, let's go. I did my hair like this because the helmet, I have to do it a certain way for it to fit my head.
Jesus. 6554.
Am I giving Hannah Wells from off campus? Anyways, my lab has some of my old lab ladies from when I was a kid. Oh my goodness, it's so great to see them. They're like, you're all grown up. I love that. And I also love that people recognize me because I have a hard time like remembering faces, but them I remember. But yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And I got my blood drawn, so we're all good. That was like the smoothest lab experience I've ever had. I was in and out in less than 10 minutes. I had spent more time talking to the lab ladies there than actually getting my blood drawn. One sec, I have to answer a call. Who's that? Hey! Yes. Oh, you're trapped. I am going to get into my bathing suit and go for a nice swim. Yeah. I wish you liked swimming. Actually, I'll probably eat something first because my blood sugar is low, or drink juice. Hi. I just ate lunch and now I'm gonna help my mom clean the pool because they're throwing a party this weekend and also someone is coming to visit. So yes, I'm also doing laundry right now. I feel like I'm gonna forget about it, so I hope I remember. I am currently biking past 2 restaurants and it smells so good. They're making fresh bread. I'm gonna go past it again so I can get another smell. I'm currently hanging out with my baby and I'm about to edit my video and upload it to my YouTube channel. It's been so long. Oops. I am currently decorating the gym for the party. Someone's staying in here, I think. And I think it looks creepy with all white walls, but also I don't want to make it creepy with this at night. So I don't know what to do, but yeah, watch me decorate this place. I am currently doing this wall now. I stopped with this for now. I'm honestly just putting things up. I'm not even thinking about it right now. I'm putting each one of those gold strands on this tape, and I don't know above, but it's taken me a long time, but I think it'll look cool. Just went night swimming and I'm about to go to bed, so good night and I'll see you in the morning. I'm so excited for this weekend. Good morning. It's almost 8 a.m. and my plans start around 11, so I have 3 hours to finish getting ready. I still have to finish decorating here, decorating the gym, and the dining area space. So I have chocolate on my face. My blood sugar was low, so I made chocolate milk last night. Or like at 4 in the morning. I am on my first bike ride of the day. I usually bike 3 to 5 times, closer to 5 times a day, because, well, I always walk, you know, I love walking, but I don't have any fat on my feet, and so my feet get really roughed up, and this just is way less pressure on my feet, and they don't get roughed up as bad, so I'm going up a hill. So, yes, I love biking, and if I just need a break, I can just stop pedaling, so, yes. I am done decorating for now. This is what it looks like. The idea is to have it super chaotic so that when I do work out here, I'm not falling asleep and I have things to look at. Also just another, I don't know, completely different vibe than my bedroom. So yes, no one's actually sleeping here anymore. So we have just so many extra beds. I'll show you the rest of the setup. Kitchen. I don't know if you guys seen it. Oh my gosh. Here it is. Cute. The living area. It's not really decorated yet. The bathroom's still the same. We do have a bed down here. Cute little makeshift room. And then my room. So cute. I think I'm gonna go on a bike ride now. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna see what they have upstairs. I was gonna go to the store to get more juice, but they have a lot of candy and sweets upstairs, so I don't think I need to. Rocio is... Hello. I am currently on my way to the farmer's market. It's hot out, but the breeze feels nice. Because of the weather. I just finished at the farmer's market and I'm going to show you what I got. I'm sitting in the historic village right now. So I got Joey treats. And then I got myself a peach lemonade. I don't really like fried pies, but okay, I don't really know how I feel, but I'm trying to try all of these. So today's theme is peach. Got Sarah B's fried pie. So I'm going to enjoy this and the view and probably play my phone. This is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's pretty good, but I just got the outside. I didn't get the filling, and I love the outside because it's just like a donut, but it's the filling part that I'm like, is it good? I like this better than the last one I got, which was blueberry. Yeah, I think so. This farmer's market is tiny, but it's so cute, and I want to come here every Friday. This is the second or third time I've been here. No, first time. No, second. Not first. But I feel like if I keep coming here, then people recognize me, and I love being a regular. I love community, guys. So it started raining, but it feels really nice out, so I don't know, I really like it. I am slanted, but I'm on a tree. This is the tree that I like stop by whenever I need a break. But oh my gosh, it's pouring! This is crazy, but this tree is protecting me. I'm not getting wet. So, wearing a quick dry outfit, so this will be fine in the rain. I'm not worried. I am worried about my bag, but the rain said it'll stop in like 15 minutes. My guest will be here any second, and she said she's bringing the sunshine. So, I better go get her. Are you ready? Yeah. Hey guys, I'm now here with Rocio.
Like and subscribe.
We're watching K-pop.
Yeah, watching K-pop.
Make sure you like and subscribe below and comment
Your favorite K-pop group.
Good morning. We just woke up, well, a little bit ago, and now we're getting ready and going upstairs and having breakfast with everyone. I've never had breakfast, or I don't eat breakfast. I haven't had breakfast in so long, so let's go.
State of New Jersey. Four.
Okay.
Joey. Oh.
We are currently playing the game T with my friends.
What's up, vlog? It's Hannah. 4th of July!
Hey vlog. It's Mitch and Joey.
And Rocio.
Rocio. We'll play game.
Me. Snapchat.
I haven't watched it.
Hi.
I'm here to talk to you about your car's extended warranty.
Don't mind. Hi, my name is Mallory. And if you're dealing with annoying people this holiday, here's a few tips I have. Cool. Go deep underwater. I'm Mallory, and thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Hey vlog, I am currently showing Rocio, my local town, so let's go. So right now we are biking. It's a beautiful day. It was storming yesterday, and so we didn't get a bike, but I'm glad we have the chance today. So let's go. Okay, we'll see how this works. Wait, no. Is it recording? Wait, is the back of my phone saying you?
No, it's seeing you. You want it?
Thank you. Do you think I'm a good tour guide?
Yes.
You're the...
I'll leave a 5-star review.
Please do review me know if you if you think there's any improvements that... Dance for me.
No. There. Oh! Yes! Get in there. Yes! There we go!
Hey guys, so I just killed Rocio. She's right there. I don't know what's gonna happen, but with me underwater. Ready? Okay. Cute.
A redemption firework.
Oh.
Bismillah. We will not let you go.
Let me go.
We'll not let you go.
Let me go. Let me go. No, 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 no. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Yeah. Things in your bathroom.
Okay.
All right.
Yep, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, soap.
Musicals. Come on, let's lock the in. Ready? 3, 2, 1, Mamma Mia. 2, 1, marijuana.
Good morning. Let's get some food. Lunch curtains.
Really?
Yeah.
Really curls and stuff.
My head, I wanna listen to my own. I am currently at the fireworks show in the town next door. Rocio left. I'm by myself. No one wanted to come. All day I've just been doing nothing, hanging out with Rocio, and then I took a nap, and then a bike ride, and now I'm here. So yeah.